Hello everyone, Rahul is with you and today I will show you a super strategy for the binary options trading. This strategy is suitable for the beginners who have no trading experience. With this strategy, in just a few minutes I have multiplied my balance several times. If you are interested in how to repeat my result, then stay here. By the way, if you are looking for the information about the trading for the beginners and not only, then you should contact me in the Telegram channel. Trading bonuses, working strategies and signals and much more are waited for you in my Telegram channel. See you there. Friends, today I will tell you about a super strategy that will help you to increase your balance several times. The strategy is very simple and profitable as possible. This strategy consists of two key indicators, the detrended price oscillator and the stochastic RSI. It is very simple to analyze the chart. If the red line is squeezed from the green and move up, then this is our signal to increase. If it's down, then it's down signal. To make it clearer to you, I will show you an example, everything with an example. Before starting transactions, you need to set the necessary settings. First, we put type candle in the chart. Set time frame for the 30 minutes, then turn on the indicators, detrended price oscillator and the stochastic RSI. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. We set the commodity composite index. The transaction time is 30 seconds. Now let's move on to the transaction. I immediately open the first trade for an increase with the amount of $75. As I see the beginning of an uptrend and the indicator lines intersect upward. And here is the first transaction completed and my balance grows to the $144. Let's move on. The second deal will also be for the entire balance. I look at the chart and open a trade for an increase. As I see the intersection of the two lines of the indicator up, this is the signal for an increase. I am often asked, where do I trade? Friends, I trade on the all-in trade. Here every transaction is a guarantee of the clean and safe profit. There is a quick withdrawal of the funds, a transparent operation and high income. I fully trust this platform and am ready to share with this for you. So join my Telegram channel to keep up to date with the latest trading news and strategies as well as the receive bonuses. Another successful deal in the piggy bank. That's great. My balance has grown to $279 and I don't stop and go on to my big profit. I am opening a deal for a raise at $279. After all, the chart saw the confident emergence of an uptrend. The indicator lines still intersect and move upward. Here are signal for an increase. Super. The last transaction was completed as successfully as the previous one. My balance is $539. This is an indicator of the profitability of my strategy. To earn like me, you don't need any special knowledge and experience. You need to have a strategy and that's it. Please like and wait for my new videos on this channel. Before saying goodbye, I want to remind you about my free Telegram channel where I share secret strategy for the making money on the binary options. Bonus and useful trading tips are waiting for you. And all this is absolutely free for my subscribers. Do not miss your chance to earn money. Follow the link in the description and join us. We are waiting for you.